Hi, this is Garrett from the Grit and Polish, and today I'd like to talk about cabinet doors. So we had this old cabinet in the Dexter House kitchen that had never had a cabinet door on it. In this video today, we're going to show just how we ordered and installed a new cabinet door for this old box. We used fastcabinetdoors.com. It's super easy to order any size cabinet door that you need. They have different styles and different materials. And for us, we like to just stick with the plain old shaker style cabinet and go with a pretty paintable or builder's grade material. So you can select the shaker style cabinet door and then go on over to the material type and select whatever's going to work for your space. In this case, we're going to select the paint grade hardwood with an MDF insert. These prices are all listed in price per square foot, so even though some of them might not seem like that much more, it will add up depending on the size of your door. There are some great other options if you do choose to go with maybe a stain wood or a clear finish, walnut, quarter sawn red oak, all very beautiful. Maple also classic for cabinet doors. Enter in the width and height of the cabinet door, and then you can select if you'd like boring for hinges. In this case, we're going to go no, since we have a hinge that's going to lie flat on the cabinet door and the cabinet box. Add the cabinet door to the cart, enter in shipping and payment details, and boom, you've got yourself a cabinet door on the way. We primed and painted the cabinet door to match, and then added the little details at the top of the door to make it look original. We used an old hinge from one of the other doors so that it would look just like the ones that are next to it. This style hinge is pretty cheap and available at most any hardware store. Hope this video was helpful. It would be so awesome if you hit subscribe and visit thegritandpolish.com for more tips and tricks on renovating old homes.